Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm still on my childhood favorite snacks from Ghana, and today we are making Ghana ice cream and Billy Walls. So let's get started. All you need is just three ingredients: condensed milk, milk powder, and water. Voila, then you can have your favorite Ghana Abele Walls. So guys, let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I'm going in with our ingredients: milk powder, condensed milk, and water. And I have to mix it well until it combines smoothly. So at this point, guys, let me use this opportunity to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. And to my returnees, welcome back. So here guys, all you need is to add your water, and we are going to add the water bit by bit so that we get the perfect texture. You don't need to add hot water into this. You have to use room temperature, or cold water is also fine. Alright fam, can you also tell me where you are watching from and your childhood favorite snack from your country? I will be very happy if you can share this with me in the comment section. Thank you for doing that. Alright, I'm adding more water just the way I want it. So if you like it to be more sweet, then all you need to do is to minimize the water a little bit, but please make sure to do it right so that you will not gonna have any stomach cramps after eating your ice cream. Abusuafoɔ mesi abele no akakra bi na yɛwie na me sɛ ne de kakra ka me nsa metafree ɛyɛ papa wei ɛna sɛ wokɔ school na woanya queens ɛwɔ wo grandmother hɔ wo nana hɔ a wode bɛtɔ bia mesrɛ wo na kyɛ sɛ asɛm afa wo abusua Abele no, we are almost done. So now I'm going to transfer into a measuring cup so that it will be very easy to pour into my smaller cups. Okay, then we are almost done. So we are going to also use wooden sticks, or if you don't have the sticks, you can actually use small spoons, teaspoons. You can use it. Then voila, just go and freeze your ice. You are done. But the sad part is you are not going to have this ice cream immediately. You need to wait till next day, unless you did the ice cream early in the morning, then the same day you can enjoy. Guys, don't go anywhere. If you are watching the video till now and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe to my channel, share the videos to your loved ones, like, and also give me your comments, guys. Thank you so much for doing so. So now I am going to freeze it. Like I said, I'm going to add in some steaks, then we are almost done, guys. Don't go anywhere. Abusia, for the summer is really hot, so just feel free to give yourself some treats. Why? Now, a day we say yes, because of healthy wise or health wise, we have to minimize whatever we are eating. I ain't no me power chop. So if you have younger children or kids at home, just give them this ice cream, homemade ice, and they are going to enjoy it. Please start introduce your childhood favorite snacks to them, and trust me, they will be very happy and they are going to have the best childhood ever. So for our ice cream is done. This is the next day. I'm showing you. Yes, like I said, it wasn't the same day, but the next day my ice cream came out so beautiful and nice. Yeah. My tester is here, Mama Kendra. Yes, go ahead, baby, just eat it, and we are all going to enjoy this ice cream. I made more than 12 pieces, guys, bigger ones and smaller ones. Thank you guys for watching till now. I really really appreciate your time and your effort to support my channel. Please don't forget to share the videos to your loved ones. Give me your comments, guys. Thank you so much. I will meet you with another video. Please, the summer is hot. Drink more water, eat fruits, and take